Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, 2 hypersonic future programs. The BrahMos Aerospace, the Indo-Russian joint venture behind the world's only supersonic cruise missile, is gearing up for its next technological leap. The company is now focused on developing a near hypersonic variant of the BrahMos missile, aiming to push its speed to an unprecedented Mach 5. Currently cruising at Mach 3, the BrahMos is already a formidable weapon. However, the corporation believes that a further speed boost will render it virtually impossible to intercept by modern air defense system. Next, exploring Su-30 MKM upgrade program. India and Malaysia have agreed to strengthen their military collaboration with a particular focus on the maintenance and upgrade of the Royal Malaysian Air Force operated Su-30 MKM fighter fleet. Under the proposed agreement, the RMAF's Su-30 MKM fleet could be overhauled and upgraded with Indian-made systems. The cooperation would not only benefit both countries but also strengthen their strategic partnership in the region. Next, C-295 FAL in India is set to start operations. A major milestone has been achieved in India's defense manufacturing sector with the upcoming activation of the final assembly line, that is FAL, for the Make in India C-295 program. After receiving approval from the Director General of Aeronautical Quality Assurance earlier this year, Tata Advanced Systems Limited is poised to begin producing detailed parts and sub-assemblies for the C-295 aircraft in India. Next, deadline for AMCA engine deal. Following the recent approval from the Cabinet Committee on Security for the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft 5.5 Gen fighter jet program, the DRDO is hopeful of finalizing a deal for the new engine for the program by 2025. GTRE will collaborate with one of the contending companies, which includes offers from Safran, Rolls-Royce and GE to co-develop a new 110 KN engine. Next, focus on export of LCA Tejas. In a recent interview with Bharat Tak, former Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhaduria emphasized the significant export potential of LCA Tejas Mk1A, India's indigenously developed light combat aircraft. Bhaduria, who was a former test pilot on the Tejas program, stressed the need for a more focused approach to marketing the Tejas Mk1A to international buyers. Next, INS Arihant to be fitted with 3,500 km strike range missiles. India has made its latest nuclear powered submarine INS Arihant more capable than its predecessors INS Arihant by fitting it with longer range missiles and adding a high level of indigenous content in it. The INS Arihant is the first nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine made by India, commissioned in 2018, while the INS Arihant is the second SSBN commissioned last week into the Navy by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Next, successfully tested Agni-4 ballistic missile. India successfully launched the Agni-4 ballistic missile from the integrated test range in Chandipur, Odisha on Friday. A Defense Ministry release said the successful test was carried out under the aegis of the Strategic Force Command. According to the Defense Ministry, the launch validated all operational and technical parameters. Next, India-France mega naval exercise Varuna. The navies of India and France carried out a mega war game in the Mediterranean Sea in reflection of their common strategic interest in the maritime domain. Indian naval ship Tabar and long-range maritime surveillance aircraft P-81 participated in the 22nd edition of the Varuna exercise. The Indian Navy said the mega exercise took place from September 2nd to 4th. In addition to INS Tabar, the Indian Navy was represented by the ship-borne helicopters at the exercise. Thank you.